How to fix taskbar icons not showing, missing, invisible, and blank in Windows 11. So if you want to fix that problem, then what you need to do is first open up your settings. Under your settings, you need to go with the personalization option and then go with the taskbar. Under taskbar, you need to go with taskbar behaviors, scroll down, and here make sure that this option, which is automatically hide the taskbar, is turned off. Once you turn that off, now you will have the taskbar on the bottom of your screen. And you can go with the upper side, which has taskbar alignment, and you can go with the center or left. And the second way is you need to simply right click on your Windows and you need to go with the taskbar settings, which is Task Manager. Click on the Task Manager. Under Task Manager, now you need to go with the Processes tab. Under Process, you need to locate the Windows Explorer in the list. And once you locate the Windows Explorer, which will be on the bottom of your process, right click on it and then go with Restart. And once you've restarted, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, then the method 3 is you need to open up your registry editor. Open up the registry editor, click on Yes, and then go with H key local machine. Under that, you need to go with software. Under software, go with the Microsoft option. And under Microsoft, you need to scroll down again and check for the Windows option. And under Windows, you need to go with the current version. And under current version, you need to go and search for shell. Here you will have your shell. You need to go with shell, go with update. And once you go with the update, now you right click on the right side, go with new, and then the word 32-bit value. And here you need to enter the name, which is undocking disabled, and then go back and press Alt plus F4, or you can simply go with the Windows and go with restart. And once you've restarted, you can check your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your taskbar icons not showing, missing, or invisible. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.